Hello guys, welcome back to our channel BBC Tech. Today we all are here to discuss some of the points about truly wireless earphones. So let's get started to the video. Truly wireless earphones. Why are they so much popular at the time? Because they are portable or because they are cool to use? In this video, we are going to discuss all the points to be considered before buying truly wireless earphones. First point to be considered is sound quality and the depth. It is the most basic but the important point to be considered before buying any earphone. Test your pair of wireless earphones almost close to top quality of wired models. You have to test everything like crisp, clear, fruitless of the earphone before buying. Measure your Bluetooth earphone against a good wired earphone models to get quality assistant. You have to compare them with any earphone like Sony, Samsung. They are good brands and have good quality of sound. Second point to be considered is voice call quality. Most of us, or we can say every one of us, use a Bluetooth headphone with our smartphone also to make and receive calls. It is very important to have a balanced sound output. This works for both music and call alike so that you can hear and can be heard clearly. Some of the earphones are not balanced or tuned properly to get a good call outcome. So if you are buying a Bluetooth headset, you have to be ensured that your Bluetooth headphones are tuned well and fine to get a good quality output for calls as well as for music. Third point to be considered is battery life and charging speed. Most of the earphones stay for 8 hours or longer on a full charge. There's no vary with models, specifications and the prices. One more point you have to be noticed is battery life of earphones and its case. Some earphones have short battery life with a good battery life of the case, but it is not fine. Check both the earphone and box have the justified battery life. Speed of charging is a crucial factor you must consider. It is not a nice feeling to be a left earphone less just because it takes an hour to charge halfway or so. While charging earphone must charge first and not the box. These are small but the important point to be noted while buying an earphones. Fourth point to be considered is wearability. This is particularly important for those who use their earphone for heavy activities, be it running, dancing or workout. Your choice for Bluetooth earphones should fit strongly enough to stay in peace but not to be so tight as to cause discomfort. Also check the IPX rating of the earphone, so goes to resistance to temperature, dust and moisture. Buy a pair that can keep your pace with whatever you are going to throw at them. Fifth point to be considered is build quality and reliability. Hastily purchased Bluetooth earphones are notorious for their inconsistency and the lack of durability. Get a feel of build quality for the Bluetooth earphones. Read upon the metal used and certificate like IPS for durability and whatever resistance under regular use. Even when buying a proven brand, the warranty and the customer service policies are great importance. Pick a pair that are tough and build well and have a sound warranty backing them. The sixth point to be considered is range. It is here that we must treat most range specifications with a healthy spectrum, while obstacles and walls can decrease range of a fraction of the claimed distance. Most Bluetooth earphones give you distance range of motion between 15 to 30 feet while holding audio clarity check while the Bluetooth codecs the earphone use before making a selection. Now let us talk about some of the best wireless earphone at the time. Apple AirPods Pro, Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus, Jabra Elite 75T, Apple AirPods second generation. Now just take Apple AirPods Pro. Why are they so much popular? It has a great active noise cancelling, easy to use controls, comfortable fit and great sound. So guys, that's it for the video. If you enjoy the video, like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Put on that bell icon so that you can get regular update. Stay tuned because COVID-19 related video is coming soon on our channel.